What is a good and cheap VPN service? Elena Jones says, the one that does not leave any traces of the IP address one is connecting from, the one that does not sell the user's data including information about the websites one visits, one's financial records including usernames, passwords and other bank account information, the one that does not bog down one's browser by offering subpar bandwidth and upload speeds, the one that offers multitude of servers in different countries for the users to connect to, the one that incorporates tight security protocols to keep the cyber criminals away from hijacking one's system. Well, I too learned these lessons the hard way. Well, up until a few months ago, I was not much acquainted with cyber thefts, attacks that have become rampant these days and had little knowledge on how to safeguard oneself against them when going online. But one such instance in which I was duped of US $1,180 when my bank account got compromised at the hands of a hacker, gave me a lesson for life. I believe I should share my experience here so as to safeguard you from becoming a cyber attack victim and losing all your hard-earned money. Here, I am mentioning the link to the VPN service provider that I have come to rely upon for accessing the web, my trusted VPN service provider. Well, before the occurrence of cyber attack on my bank account, the only few measures I was aware of to keep oneself safe online were to not download attachments from unknown sources, to not click on suspicious links and to not hand over data like bank account passwords to anyone. I was following all the above, however the hacker outsmarted me. Honestly, I have come to realize that with the world rapidly moving towards digitization in almost all spheres of life, a reliable VPN service has become the need of the hour to safeguard one's identity online as the cyber criminals are looking to capitalize the slightest of opportunity to leverage one's vulnerability. However, the choice between a bogus and a trustworthy VPN service provider makes all the difference. I have also realized that most of us are not well educated on the aspects such as cyber crimes and what actions performed online makes one vulnerable to becoming a cyber criminal. It is important to make a note that once a cyber theft occurs, it is almost impossible to receive back the money lost, like it happened with me as well. Here, I am sharing my detailed experience of how I fell prey to a cyber criminal who duped me of massive amount, and how eventually today, I am able to safeguard every single detail about me including my IP address, my ISP, the websites I visit, the country I am situated in. You would find this useful, my cyber safety journey. Brittany Gomez says, I was using few other VPN, but I faced some issues when using them. I think that you should check few VPNs and then decide which suits the best for you. I changed my VPN service to NordVPN and I'm happy about their services. I use it now for a long time and I can 100% say that Nord has good pricing, relevantly cheap. P2P servers, allows torrenting, unlimited data and bandwidth, strict no logs policy, 24/7 live chat customer support, kill switch, ad blocker, extensions for Chrome and Firefox. Randy Thomas says, the saying, you get what you pay for, is especially true when talking about VPNs. When you pay little or nothing you get low performance in spyware, profiling and selling of your data and personal information. That's the best case. In the worst case you get botnets and your computer used as a hacking tool. Pay a premium and don't skimp on this. Also never trust any VPN review or best VPN review site as the reviews are biased towards the companies with the deepest pockets that pay the best VPN review site the most. Thanks for watching our video on what is a good and cheap VPN service.